Right now I want to show you what's included in the RAM-B-102 double diamond plate mount. Firstly, you get two of the diamond plates, which are marine grade aluminum diamond plates with a black powder coating, and they also include a 1-inch diameter solid rubber ball. The part number of these two parts is the RAM-B-238. Then you also have included is a double socket 1-inch socket arm made of also made of marine grade aluminum. The arm itself is 3 inches from socket center to socket center. This part number is the RAM-B-201. So there you have it. The complete kit together, once all these parts are purchased together, is actually the RAM-B-102 double diamond plate mount.